morning guys. I can't believe I'm finally making my first YouTube video, but my name is Anna and I'm going to dedicate this YouTube channel to kind of like beach life. I like to paddleboard, I like to surf, wakeboard, just spend time at the beach. So if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe. Today I'm going to spend the whole day at the beach. It's a 2.5 hour drive because I kind of live in the middle of nowhere currently. I go to college in Gainesville, so I'm driving to Tampa to go to the beach. I might take the paddleboard out. I want to go snorkeling and I'm really hoping to find a sand dollar. That's been on my bucket list forever, so come with me. Guys, the weather is looking so gloomy. I did check the weather. It's supposed to be sunny in Tampa, but it's not looking promising so far. Finally made it to the beach. Now I'm putting on sunscreen and going to explore the ocean. Also, I got the spray which is supposed to make my hair look more blonde, so I'm gonna use it today and see how it works. Time for the done. So I made it to the sandbar. The visibility is really low, but if I go really deep to the bottom, I can kind of see the sand, and I found half of the sand dollar. So I think it's going kind of successful. I'm gonna go look for some more. My very first sand dollar! Yay! Oh my gosh, I'm so happy! It's so pretty. Some people call it mermaid money and I love it. Look how pretty this is. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna add it to my shelf collection. I found another one. Alright, I'm back from my dollar cent hunting. I found a good amount of them. Let's take a look. So I found 6 of them in total. I think it went so successful. It was so much fun. I was there for about 30 or 40 minutes. So my parking expired. I was at the beach for about 2.5 hours. So we're gonna go get lunch and then I'm gonna go back to the beach. But not this one. I'm gonna try looking for a different one. This one has a lot of people on it. I'm gonna try to find something less crowded. And also I just wish the water was more clear. Like, it wasn't the worst. I was still able to find sand dollars and kind of snorkel, but the water was really muddy. Food secured. Let's go back to the beach. So I kind of found this. It's not a beach, but it's something. So I'm just gonna eat my food here and then take the paddleboard out. I paddleboarded to the small island and there are so many shells, so I'm just walking around and collecting them. Just finished collecting the shells. Let me show you my collection. They're so cute. I found so many good ones. Finished the paddleboarding session, got quite a few sunburns, and yes, I did use sunscreen multiple times. I'm about to go pick up some strawberries for sunset, and then that would conclude the day. this basically concludes the day. Now I'm about to drive back home, 2.5 hours. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, let me know any recommendations, any suggestions, because you know it was my first vlog. I'd love to get some feedback. See you guys later. Bye.